Hey everyone, welcome to lesson 3 of our horror game course. Today we'll make our character move with WSD keys and jump with Spacebar in Unreal Engine. I will also explain every blueprint node we use to make it super clear. Let's get this started. Okay, in lesson 2 we added a camera movement so we can look around our world, but pressing WSD does nothing. We can't move. Let's fix that by adding movement input to our player character. This will let us walk around our game. We'll start by setting up input for moving forward, backward, left and right. So do it, go to edit, go to project setting, and under engine tab you can find input, go to input. Under axis mapping, click plus sign twice to add two new input. Name the first one to move forward, and the second one move right. For move forward, click the drop down and select W. This one under keyboard tab, select W. Then click this plus sign and add another input and set it to S. Under keyboard tab S, and set S value to -1. This makes W move forward and S move backward. For move right, add first input as a D and add another input by clicking this plus sign and add A to A and set A value to -1. So this makes D move right for positive and E move left for negative. And close this. Now let's add this input to our level 1 character and use blueprint nodes to make movement happen. In the content browser, go to game blueprint folder and go to level and open level 1 character. And go to event graph. In the event graph, right click and search for input axis, move forward. Select this move forward node. Again, right click and search for input axis, move right, and select this move right node. The input axis move forward and input axis move right nodes are event nodes that fire every frame when you press the assign key WASD. The output and axis value number based on the input. For example, pressing W give a value of 1, S gives -1 and no input gives 0. This let us control movement smoothly. And again, right click in the event graph and search for add movement input and select this add movement input under input tab and connect this exit pin to this add movement input and this axis value pin to scale value. The add movement input nodes tell the character to move the scale value pin. Use the axis value to decide how much and in what direction to move. A positive value moves forward, a negative value move backward. And again, right click in the event graph and search get actor forward, select this get actor forward vector and connect this return value to forward direction. So this get actor forward vector nodes gets the direction the character is facing. This ensure W move you in the direction you are looking at. S move you backward, making movement feel natural in first person game. And copy this add movement input and paste here and connect this to this. And right click, search get actor right vector and connect this return value to forward direction and this axis value to scale value. The actor right vector node gives the direction 19 degrees to the right of where the character is facing. This makes D move right and A move you left based on the axis value. So compile and save. Let's test it play in the editor. I play this button and press W to move forward, S to move backward, A to move left and D to move right. You can now explore your horror game world. The movement feels a bit fast for horror game, though to speed for that spooky vibe. Let's slow it down. So close this. In level 1 character, select this character movement in the left side. In the details panel, search max walk speed. You can find max walk speed is now 600. I'm set it to 400 and compile and save. This slow the character's walk, making it feel caution and tense, perfect for our game where you sneaking around monster. Now hit play again. Now the movement feels like a slow creepy walk, great for building suspense as you explore haunted corners. If you don't like this, you can simply change your like value to this walk speed. I like to 400, so I keep this value. Now let's make our characters jump with the spacebar. Unreal Engine has built-in jump nodes, so this is super simple. First, we need an input for jumping. So do it. Close this and go to Edit, Project Setting. Under Engine tab, go to Input. Under Action Mapping, click this plus sign and add new action mapping. And click this arrow to expand it and name it to jump and expand and set it to spacebar. Select this spacebar, not backspace, spacebar, and close this. Now open level 1 character again and go to the event graph. Right click and search input action. Action jump and select this jump node. The input action jump node is an event node that trigger when you press or release the spacebar. It has 2 pins, pressed when you press the key and release when you let go. This is perfect for action like jumping that don't need continuous input like movement. For the press pin, drag and search jump and select this jump node. The jump node is built-in function in Unreal's character class. It makes the character jump upward based on the jump set velocity setting in the character movement component. It's simple but powerful for adding vertical movement. For the release pin, drag release pin and search for jump, stop jumping and select it. The stop jumping node stop the jump when you release the spacebar. This prevents the character from jumping again until you press the key again, giving you control over the jump's duration. So compile and save. Let's hit play and press the spacebar. Your character should jump. It's a quick hope perfect for our game. If you need to change jump higher for this game, for click this character movement and search details panel, jump Z velocity. You can find under character movement jump Z velocity. You can change this value to decide jump height, but I like this value, so I keep it. If you don't like it, and you can set you like value for it. For example, I change this to 400 and compile, save and hit play. Now I click the spacebar. You can see now change our jump height, and I change again it to 20 for the default value and compile, save. I want to keep this clean, so I select this and press C. Then a command will appear on this program language. So I set it, name it to WASD movement. This will help us in the future. So I do same thing, need to jump, select and press C and to jump. Before we finish up, I got something really exciting for you. If you want to follow along with the exact project file for this horror game, you can grab them on our Patreon. Just hit the link in the description. Before we finish up, I got something really exciting for you. If you want to follow along with the exact project file for this horror game, you can grab them on our Patreon. Just hit the link in the description, sign up for the free tier, and you get access to all the files for this series. It's a great way to support the channel and build the game with us step by step. First, you get update, bonus content and other fun extras. Join our community today, link in the description. Okay, we had WSD movement and jump into our game with all the blueprint nodes explained. Now you can walk around and hope over stuff in your world. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and let me know in the comment if you have any question. See you in lesson 4.